Hey guys, welcome back to Lacy Beans. Today we will be learning how to decorate a plate with Sharpies and then baking it in the oven for a permanent finish. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Okay everyone, so what you're going to need to begin with is a plate that you're not going to be needing to eat off of again. And you'll need some painter's tape. And that's just if you want to designate a space in the middle, which you should measure properly to make sure it's centered, which I don't believe mine is totally centered. But and you'll need a bunch of Sharpies in different colors or any colors you want. I've got quite a few here, as you can see. So again, I was saying you want to measure that the tape is in the middle. The reason I'm blocking this area off is so that I can write something in it, just clean of the design. So you want to make sure that's in the middle. I'm going to write a name, probably either my daughter's name or Lacy Beans, depending on where you want to use this. You can write it anywhere. Once you bake this, after you've made your design in Sharpie, you bake it in an oven at 350 degrees for half an hour, and then it is washable. I wouldn't put it in the dishwasher, however, but it is washable. And again, don't eat off of it, but it's great to use in the bathroom to put all your toiletries on. It's great for just to display on the wall with a plate hanger. There's lots of different uses, but let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw branches. That's what I'm going to do. I want to do sort of like a floral, delicate design on this one. So what we're going to do here is start from the middle where the tape is, and I'm going to sort of have the branches grow out from the middle there, and you just draw them any which way you want. Again, any design you want. You can have so much fun with this. It's a big plate. You can use any plate, any cup, anything that you can put in the oven. Really, you can use this method with Sharpie pens. And just make whichever design you like. And I'll speed this process up and get to the next part where I start to add the leaves on. Now we're going to start adding some leaves onto the branches. So I'm just taking one of the green Sharpies here, and you're just adding leaves all over the branches. And once we're finished adding the leaves, then we will move on to, I just add little circles, almost as little tiny berries almost they look like. They could be flowers, berries, anything you want. And just to add a little bit of color into it. And let's continue. Oh, hang on a second. Let's just give the cat time to get out of the shot. Okay, now that he's done, we continue on with our green leaves. And now we keep moving. Oh, come on, seriously? That's it, you're out, you're done. And now we're gonna start with our, what I call little berries almost, but you could call them flower buds if you like. And what I like to do is just go in and sort of color a little circle right in between, or right just under, oh God, there's that cat again, sorry. And just between the green leaves, it sort of makes it look like they're sprouting out from the green leaves. And we'll just go around and do that. I like to do usually about 3 or 4 colors. So I will fast forward through this process, but basically I just take 3 or 4 colors and I add it almost like a cluster of little berries underneath a lot of the green leaves just to add some color to our design. Oh, not that cat again. Jax, get out of the frame. Once you're finished your design, you heat up your oven to 350 degrees. Place the plate in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then once it's done, turn the oven off and have it cool down with the oven cooling down. And don't forget, make sure not to touch it until it's completely cool. And there you have it, a nice new tray or decorative piece for the wall. Design it any way you like. Thanks for listening and watching, and we'll see you next time for my next DIY. Thanks and have a great day.